My friends. Hello, my friends. It's early today, and I want to do a video on buying Quickswap right here. Quickswap. I want to buy it, and so I want to buy it on Uniswap. And I want to find it. I believe Quickswap will be making tremendous move, and I want to spend about 10 ETH on it. Yes, I'm aggressive on it. That's 1%. Let's see if I could go 7. It's saying insufficient funds. Okay, I'm going to try to buy Quickswap on 1inch exchange. So let's look for it right now. Quickswap. Saying I don't have that much Ethereum. 5 Ethereum is about 11,000. So I'm about to swipe this. Let me screenshot. Confirm swap. Let me screenshot this. Approve. Okay. The reason I'm buying Quickswap is because of Matic. Just give me a second while it loads and I'll show you why. I believe Quickswap can do a 3x. So let's go out. Let's go to my wallet. Now let's see where Quickswap is at. Quickswap is right here. I'm going to load on Quickswap. So if we click here, and it says a next gen layer 2 DEX trade at lightning fast speed with near zero gas fees powered by Polygon. I believe in Polygon Matic. So if we go to the exchange, this is how the exchange look. So you have Matic and you have all of these. I have a Azuki BTU C5 comp. So I like anything that's on the Polygon Matic smart contract. Okay. And so that's why I believe in this coin. I am Romeo the Professor. Follow me. Also, you can click on my YouTube. I click the link for free. Enter your name and email, and A to Z Investor will email you a lesson a day after 3 days. I'm Romeo the Professor. Quickswap is what I believe in. I believe it's going to make movements today. And if I show you an article about Quickswap, right here. It says Quickswap is a decentralized finance product forked on the popular Uniswap exchange, except it runs on the Polygram network. Anything with Polygon Magic Network, I'm liking now. Now, you could buy it on Uniswap or on 1inch. Okay? I am Romeo the Professor. Follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.